was pretty chilly last night and I'm cold now. I was wearing my jacket, but I'm going to show you kind of something you can do when, you know, especially with backpacking, when you didn't have enough warm gear packed, you know, you're trying to save weight. I've used this several times, and so basically you just take your sleeping bag and you zip it up all the way, and then I take and make it like a horseshoe, right? So it's down your back quite a ways and over your shoulders. It's like a big shawl almost. And then I pull it up high on my shoulders. Usually I'm doing this with a rain jacket and there's a lot of, you know, or a little more extra space in there. But today I'm using my lighter winter jacket. You just put that on over top. You gotta pull it out of the armholes a little bit. Pull it down nice and far in the back.
The best part is the finished product.
This is definitely not the most stylish thing, but but it's pretty warm. It's a super warm vest. Welcome to my new Teespring store called Attacking Life Apparel, where I have hoodies and t-shirts available with various outdoor themes. So if you're interested in giving a gift or buying one for yourself, check the link in the description. So here's a couple examples, including Adventure Buddy. I'll be outside, my favorite type of fishing, for some sailing ones. Didn't flip. Let's hang out for hammocking. Life's an adventure. Hang in there. Don't be a square, and need not be knotted. So check them out, and like I said, the link will be in the description.